What if you are not that person that fits into the perfectly predefined system? What if your plans have always been different from anybody else's plans? What if you are not happy with a job that determines your working hours, your salary, and your vacation? What if you want more? Freedom, happiness, being your own boss, travel the world, all of that or even more. It doesn't matter what it is you are seeking. Never stop chasing it. I am Alina, the person behind Aventura Lina, and in today's video I am going to tell you my story and also where I'm currently at with building up my own online business. But that's not all yet. I am also going to tell you how you yourself can achieve something similar and how I might be helpful when it comes to building up your own online YouTube business. I grew up in Hamburg, Germany. When I was 22 years old, I started to discover my real passion, to travel the world. I traveled with a friend, but at some point I had to come back to Germany because I ran out of money and also because I had to keep studying. Traveling has become my passion because I quickly realized that it can teach me way more than school and university ever could. And I already had my next travel plan after coming back. The next stop would be the Philippines. The only problem was that nobody wanted to come with me because either they didn't have the time or they didn't have the money. So I postponed the trip because I didn't want to go alone. I gave up on my dream for a very stupid reason, right? And guess what? Suddenly I wasn't able to travel anymore. I got sick with an autoimmune disease that made traveling impossible. And I was bound to Hamburg for 2 years, going from one doctor to another, trying to find something that would help me to suffer less. I am not going to go into the details about that, but let me tell you something. I suddenly realized that when I was still healthy, I didn't do something that I desired because I was afraid. And because I always thought that at some point a friend would join me for that trip. I thought that I was young right now, so I do not have any pressure to go for that trip right now in that moment. But let me tell you one very important truth. Being young doesn't mean that you can postpone your dreams forever. Because no matter how well you eat, how much exercise you do, or how healthy you feel today, this is not a guarantee to be in that same amazing state 10 years from now, or even less. After 2 years of being miserable, I finally found a medication that gave me back my life. With restrictions, yes. But I was finally not suffering anymore. And guess what I did? Yep, I bought flight tickets. And I went on my first trip alone to the Philippines. And from that moment on, I traveled as much as possible, always thinking in how I can manage to go on my next adventure, investing all of my money into further adventures, just to enjoy these few weeks of the year, to travel and feel completely free. I always thought that I was different. I was never really happy with my studies, with my jobs. I always felt like I needed more vacation. Sometimes I even thought I was lazy, even though I am earning my own money ever since I am 16 years old. I have always been studying and working at the same time to pay my own bills. And I have always had a very busy life. But I was never living for my job. I never got excited about getting up at 6 a.m. on a Monday morning to go to the office and stay there and work hard all day long. And people kept telling me that I cannot go on like this forever. And like this meant that after a trip, I was always immediately thinking about the next trip. I didn't care about anything else but to travel. I even planned to quit my job every 1.5 to 2 years just to have a longer break in between the next job and to be able to travel for like 2 or 3 months in a row. And people always said that I had to settle down, that I should be happy with what I had, a well-paid and safe job, because that is how life works. And I always thought, what is wrong with me? Why can't I just be happy with what I have? Because really what I had was not that bad. Actually, it is what most people are aiming for. Now you tell me, is there something wrong with me just because I have a vision of my life that is different from the norm? Or is there just something wrong with our system that forces us into something that not everybody is made for? Like strict working hours, an office that we have to go to every day, a salary that is limited depending on what a company is willing to sacrifice for you from their profit. I think one of many things that the pandemic has taught us is that it is possible to have that freedom that you may desire. It is possible to work from home, to travel while working full time, to have more flexibility in your daily routines. Isn't it weird that during the pandemic we have all been locked up for a long time, but still during these 2 years of restrictions, I have felt more free and more alive than ever before. Because suddenly I was able to live my dream. I was able to work from home more according to my own schedule. I was able to get up more or less whenever I wanted, to have my lunch whenever I needed it, to go to the gym during my lunch break. Never have I ever felt more healthy, stronger, and more energized before in my life. And I think never have I ever performed better before at work than during this time. And that is not all yet. I was lucky that my boss was very open-minded and he completely trusted me. He allowed me to travel while working. At first I went to the Canary Islands, then to the peninsula of Spain, then to Costa Rica, Panama and Colombia. And then, well, luckily the pandemic was getting better. The restrictions were lowered and the companies had the great idea, why not come back to what we had before? The office, fixed working hours, less freedom, and more control over our employees. That was when I realized no matter how great the company is that I am working for, they will always be able to take away from me the benefits that they once gave me. And that was also when I decided that that was not how I wanted to continue. I do not want to depend on the mood of a company that has only one real interest, to grow its own profit. I had no idea where to start, and I didn't even know what exactly I wanted to do. But I knew one thing. I wanted to live my life on my own terms. Now, I am still in the process of figuring things out, but something has changed. I am starting to earn my own money, and most importantly, I have a clear vision of what I want to do and where I see myself. I am now focused on a goal, and I am not going to stop before I do not reach that goal. I know there are a lot of people out there feeling similar to myself, seeking freedom, independency, and more flexibility in life, looking for a way to escape that predefined system of our society. And I do not have all of the answers yet, but I am getting there. On my YouTube channel, I am going to share my adventures around the planet. Subscribe to my channel because not only will I take you on my adventures around our planet, but I will also show you how to do the same. See what is possible and figure out if you can spark that fire in yourself that will give you the energy that you will need to go on a similar journey to chase your own dreams. I will share my way into freedom with you in my newsletter, in which I will go even more into the detail of building up an online YouTube business. I am going to share with you my experiences of creating an online business, but also share with you some personal experiences and the process of the creation of my dream life. I am going to show you my struggles and my mistakes so that you can learn from them. So make sure to subscribe to my newsletter if you are interested to learn how to build up your own online business to get the freedom you are seeking. Because there is no better way to learn how to do something than by following a person that is currently on its way to achieve exactly what you want. I am going to share with you the unvarnished truth of building up an online YouTube business with all its ups and downs, and I will share all of my strategies with you in my newsletter. So if you are keen to learn more, check out the links in the description below, and I really hope that my journey is going to be very helpful, motivating and inspiring when it comes to achieving your own dreams. Are you ready to join me on my journey?